A mother's role in Islam is monumental. Allah the Almighty says, which means, and never would your Lord have destroyed the cities until he had sent to their mother a messenger. The noble Quran enjoins every person to be dutiful and good to his mother due to her high status. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Paradise is under the feet of the mother." As for mothers, Islam has made them a beautiful world in which everyone must respect and revere them. Allah recognizes and mentions the difficulties borne by mothers, and we have enjoined upon the human care for his parents. His mother carried him in weakness upon weakness, and his weaning is in 2 years. Be grateful to me and to your parents. To me is the final destination.